Okay, so I wanted to show you guys real quick a resource that'll be great for you at home. So from the Coosa Valley website, which is just cves at pellcityschools.net, if you come down here to student resources, and your kids can do this and they can show you exactly how to get there, but you can go down here to student resources, and then right over here it says Clever. And we're going to click that, and they're going to put their login in to use one of the kids' logins. Okay, so I'm going to use a student login here real quick. We're going to log in. You can say this if you want, if it pops up, but that's up to you. So the great thing here is that this gives you the option to use a lot of the applications that we use here in class. So I clicked on our page, our specific page, and this gives them access to 99 Math, which is a math program they love to do. They have access to it at home. There's no school hour restrictions for it. So this is a great thing for them to do if you're looking for independent math practice. You can go ahead and set them up with that easily by showing them how to log in here. And then we can go down here to vocab class, and this is what I really wanted to show you guys today. So this is something that I've added for them. It's super exciting, and it allows them to work on their spelling words, which is what we have here. So our skills for list for week 20, and the vocabulary that we'll be talking about with our knowledge unit. So building vocabulary is super important for their fluency and comprehension in reading, because when they sound out a word and then they don't recognize the word, they don't know whether they've done it right. Plus, they don't understand what they're reading. So this is going to give them the option to practice spelling words at home. So we can go ahead and we look here, word list number 1 is skills. We're going to click on that. And I have picked specific games that they are allowed to do. And then they have a practice test they can take on Thursdays. And then they'll actually begin to start taking their spelling test here. It will read it. It'll say the word for them. It'll say it in a sentence for them. It'll repeat the word, and then they'll type it in. This will give them an option, or the opportunity to be able to practice at home and in the same format be able to take their test. You can also see over here that it actually shows you the vocabulary stuff they can do as well without going back to that other screen. Here, and at any point you can take these, and I think I have them all set up so that they can take them multiple times. If not, there's plenty for them to do one each night. You would hit start, and then it will give you a tutorial if you want to do it that way. And there's always icons that will allow them to listen. So if it looks, they can always click like the listen one or the icon that looks like it's speaking next to the word or the sentence, and it will read them the directions, or read them, like with the vocabulary, it'll read them definitions, because those are harder to read. Anyways, this will be a great resource for you to at home practice on spelling. It's also one that we're going to use in the classroom as well. And then again with that vocabulary, which is a really important part to their reading comprehension and fluency.